Hello, Kamusta and Cześć. We are Polipino Adventures. We're a blended family of Polish and Filipino descent. We found attraction to each other through our common interests of travel and adventures and the desire to enjoy life through what we see, experience, and learn. I'm Krizia.
I'm Jacek.
I'm James.
When we became a family, we started documenting places we visited. We've got ideas for traveling couples and family trips. We love the outdoors and we're both former competitive athletes, so you'll see a mix of camping and mountain biking, hikes and snowboarding, paddling, off-roading, road trips, and more. Join us as we explore more.
Let's go!
Hello! Polipino Adventures here. Heading to our campsite. Right, according to the Castrol drop link, it is currently 77.6 degrees Fahrenheit with a humidity of 14.6 and a heat index of 72.7. That's how you know it's perfect outside. Aw, nice shirt, honey.
Aww. Nice white shoe fit.
Thanks. Woo! Someone farted. These parked in the middle of the road, had to pull over, and now look at them. Now they're out of our way. Hurrah.
That's faster than I'll guide you.
Something is burning. Whoa. Oh, don't make it. Buttless. Buttless. No butt? No dupa? Dupa-less. So it seems that it's a whole site over there, so we're gonna go back up.
Kasi maganda yung ganyan sa kapag isa ng card. Kasi kung kakananan
Sige.
mahal na yun.
Aw, mahal kita din, babe. Time to find the spot.
No.
Auntie Marissa, Yasik has a new word.
What? New Filipino word? Tagalog word? What?
It's bad word.
No, it's not. Not that one. The other one I just taught you.
Not the bad one. You're on camera.
You're on camera.
You what?
Oh, hi. Who's this cutie? Hi, cutie. Yeah, it's in my bag. Beautiful. It's currently 63.5 degrees with a humidity of 32.9 and a dew point of 33.8 Fahrenheit.
Kamusta? Oh,
Oh, yes, you want to try my caldereta?
sure.
Ooh,
The rice
delicious.
and
Round 2.
Yep. I mean, you cooked it?
That's why I missed Robert's Abob's
What you making?
Fishball.
Fishbowl.
And kikiam later. Thanks for inviting me, Kevin. Especially yung dude, every day 200 messages.
Fishball sauce.
Let's
Fishbowl.
let's go do some selfie.
Good morning from Monache Meadows. Making ube pancakes again with this view. Hi everybody. It's perfect 73.4 degrees. So we have I know because of my Kestrel drop link. Tells me temperature, relative humidity, and dew point, and more. And the heat index. Our neighbors. Huh? Clea Kevin, safety first. Okay, so first thing, this thing is sitting in the sun. Goodbye, refrigerator. Batteries in the sun, next to the stove. Battery, propane tank should be sitting in the sun. I think we're waiting for an explosion to happen. It'll be his fault that Monache Meadows is burned. Magandang umaga! Say hi, everybody. Good morning. Hi.
You didn't go?
Honey, where are we heading?
Looking for Kevin.
Look at these guys. They're moving the chairs for us. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Bye. Bye, Max.
We will back. Thank you.
We'll be back. Any suggestions?
And don't go too fast. Just be steady.
Okay, thank you. Go safe. Yeah, Bob. Here is the river. Part of the river. Welcome to the Inyo National Forest. You will find over 2,200 miles of designated OHV trails and roads, with spectacular scenery and challenge your enjoyment, as well as unique and sensitive landscapes. So, Uber bread. Olives.
Today,
Soup of the day. Salami. Picnic with Heavy. What are you doing? Ah! Never mind. Bye bye. Float down the river, honey. I'll see you at the bottom. It's nice. Feels really good. I wish we had a little raft here.
yeah,
That would have been fun. Let's go, Kern River rafting. Bye. So far, it's 5:18, and a lot of people woke up from their naps, and we just set up our hammock that we haven't set up since last year in Big Bear. So about time. Where's that sleepy guy?
Thank you, thank you. Great.
No drones this morning, but another car alarm. Great. Hi, Mary.
I'm Lee, and this is Turkish coffee for the morning. And basically we have beans roasted, and it's a medium or light roast on the beans, and we make it in our little Turkish coffee assembly, and you can take a look at it over there if you'd like.
We would.
Assembly here.
With our little burner that we click on, and we put the coffee in there. We put a designated amount of water in there, and it boils, and it just kind of foams up to the top, and that's when it's done. And it doesn't really actually come to a boil. It just kind of heats up and starts to foam, and then when you pour it into the cup, it gives that creamy, as you notice on the top of the coffee, it gives that creamy texture to the top of it, and it brings all the oils up to the top, so the first couple drinks have that super strong oily coffee flavor to it. And over in Turkey, they actually use sand pits, that they warm up sand pits, and they bury the bottom pot here this deep into the sand, and it heats it up that way. But it's nice so that you don't need any electricity out in the trail. So we bought this kit so that we can do it out on the trail and not have to have any electricity and have a good strong cup of coffee.
Dang.
It's so good.
Okay, thank you very much.
Let us know how you like it.
Okay, we will.
Bye-bye.
Drive safe.
You guys too. Bye. Drive safely. Bye. See you guys back home. Bye. Have a safe drive. Thank you. Bye-bye. Guys.
Next time again.
Next time. Bye-bye, Cleo. Run. Bye-bye.
Polipino.
Filipino Adventures.
Yep.
Like and subscribe. Bye.
We're gonna go ahead.
Yeah,
Yeah,
have fun.
bye.
Safe drive.
Got you singing last one.
Yes.
Pretty damn impressive.
Oh, thank you.
I had the radio turned off. I said I want to listen there.
Oh, have a safe drive. Bye, 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 Kuya John. See ya.
Kuya Aaron.
Okay, sounds good.
Alright.
Next time we'll go all together. Fiastic? Okay,
Are
bye.
you guys gonna stay board?
Uh-huh.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, for the rest of the day. Okay,
Bye.
bye.
We're gonna jam again next
Jam
time.
again next time.
Yeah, we
Kuya.
have a blast.
Yeah, it was so much fun. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye, bye, bye. Not yet. Few more hours. Okay, you too. Safe drives. And it looks like everybody left. So now it's just me and the hubby. Babe, it's just me and you now. Uh-oh. Double trouble. Is that okay? We can't beat this site. We got our hammock, our tent in the shade, truck in the shade,
Nobody's here.
gazebo in the shade, and nobody is here. Just us. All right, we're packed and ready to go.
Let's go.
Let's go. Bye, campsite. Taking a detour to Kernville. Currently at 5,900 feet in elevation. Well, probably higher earlier because we're coming down the mountain. But check this out! More tacos. So at Monache Meadows, we were at the South Fork Kern River. Now we're at the North Fork Kern River. Mighty Kern. What's the temperature?
105.
Oh no. 95.
Beer break.
Beer break. And check out the Kern River. So we went from like low 70s to now some very hot weather. Thanks, honey. No more steps. Wow, what's happening here? Private island. Babe, let's go in the shade over there. Oh, look at this! Where are we, in Hawaii? Do I hear complaining? Woo! That was great. And cold.
Whoa! Oh shit, that's it. It's too deep. Oh! Whoa!
Hi. How is it? That's cold. No, you have to dip with me.
Okay.
Get in first. Let's go.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it?
That's it.
Okay.
You're recording.
I don't know.
Say something, honey.
Say something.
What do you think about this new place? What do you think?
I think it's great.
Yeah. It looks like we're on an island.
Yes.
Yeah.